Hi guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an HP Pavilion Laptop 14-DV0XXX. So in Windows, either restart your laptop, or if it's powered off, press the power button and get ready to tap the F10 key. So here it goes. I'm tapping the F10 key, guys. So we are in BIOS. So let me zoom in. This is the key, guys, F10. So now I'm going to exit BIOS and enter boot menu option. So now keep tapping the F9 key, guys. As you can see, we've now entered boot menu option. So let me zoom in. This key, guys, F9. You can now boot from USB.